Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of transferring money from your STEP account to Cash App. It's a quick and convenient way to manage your finances, but before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, now, first, what you've got to do is open your Step app and navigate to the settings or payment method section. All right. Look for an option to link your Cash App account and follow the prompts to connect the two accounts. All right. Okay. So if you can't find it, you might want to go here under a website and you can basically check it here. Right here, just hit Control Find and type in transfer. All right. So first off is you have to link the accounts first. All right. So tap link a new account and select the bank account that you wanted. There's a lot of options that you can see there, and follow the steps to log into your account. Okay, and you will be asked with information to verify your identity. And once you are there on the Step app, select the amount you want to transfer to your Cash App account, and you may also have the option to specify the purpose of the transfer, right? And then review the transfer details for accuracy and confirm the transaction. Step app may ask you to authenticate the transfer with a PIN or biometric method like your fingerprint. And after a few moments, guys, what will happen is you have to check your Cash App account to ensure that the funds have been credited. And you should receive a notification confirming the incoming funds, right? But remember, guys, that the specific steps and features may vary based on updates and the app's design, so it's important to consult the official Step app documentation, or you can simply ask customer support for the latest information. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred money from your Step account to Cash App. I'll see you in the next one.